Your Windows 11 installation is probably lying to you. You pay for high-speed internet. You run the speed tests. Everything looks fine. But inside Windows, there are 3 network settings that are quietly adding 5 to 15 milliseconds of unnecessary latency to every single order you place. Latency that directly increases slippage on every trade. Milliseconds that you can't afford. These are the network settings every trading computer needs optimized. Today, we're going to fix them. Now, you may notice something different about me today. I lost my voice to laryngitis. So my AI clone is stepping in. Same content, same me. I still wrote every word of this script, just a different delivery system. And the first thing my AI self is going to tell you is this. Windows 11 is designed for browsing the web and watching Netflix, not for executing trades. It's built to be energy efficient. It's built to be stable on slow connections. It's built to be fair, but trading isn't fair. It's a race, and your own computer is making you lose that race before your order even leaves your house. So let's fix it. We're going to change 3 settings directly in Windows 11 to improve your tick-to-trade time and reduce slippage. But before we touch anything, we need to create a restore point. Think of it like setting a stop-loss order on a trade. You hope you never need it, but you'll be glad it's there. Go to your Start menu and start typing Create a Restore Point, then hit Enter. You'll see the System Properties box pop up. Select the drive that has your operating system, usually the C drive. Click Create at the bottom right. Give it a name like Before Network Optimizations and put today's date. Then click Create again. Windows will take a minute or 2 to create a snapshot of your current system. Once that's done, you're protected. Let's get into it. Setting number 1, your DNS server. Windows is currently using your internet provider's slow, unreliable DNS servers. We're going to switch to a faster, more secure one. Go to your Start menu, click on Settings, then go to Network and Internet, and click on Ethernet. At the top, you'll see a line for DNS server assignment. Click the Edit button next to it. In the new window, change the setting from automatic to manual. Now you'll see 2 toggles, one for IPv4 and one for IPv6. You need to turn them both on. For IPv4, in the preferred DNS box, enter 1.1.1.1. In the alternate DNS box, enter 1.0.0.1, and don't worry if I am going too fast. I will put all of these DNS server addresses in the description. Now, for IPv6, in the preferred DNS box, enter 2606:4700:4700:1111. In the alternate DNS box, enter 2606:4700:4700:1001. These are Cloudflare's public DNS servers. They are generally the fastest in the world. Click Save. By the way, if you want a full step-by-step breakdown of how to optimize your entire trading computer setup, not just your network settings, but the hardware, the RAM, the processor, the graphics, and platform tuning, grab my complete guide to trading computers. I've got it linked below. It'll save you a ton of trial and error. Setting number 2, set your network adapter to maximum performance to save a few pennies on your electric bill. Windows puts your network card into a balanced power mode. This means it's literally slowing itself down while you're trading. To fix this, right-click on your Start menu button and select Device Manager. In the Device Manager, find Network Adapters and expand it. You'll see your Ethernet adapter in the list. Right-click on it and select Properties. Go to the Advanced tab. In the list of properties, find Energy Efficient Ethernet and set its value to Off or Disabled. This disables the IEEE 802.3az standard that's designed to save power but adds latency. Next, go to the Power Management tab. Uncheck the box that says, Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click OK. Now your network card is running at full speed all the time. Setting number 3, disable auto-tuning. This is the big one. Windows auto-tuning was designed in the early 2000s for slow, unstable internet connections. On modern, high-speed internet, it actually adds unnecessary buffering and latency. It's enabled by default on every Windows 11 machine. To disable it, go to your Start menu and type CMD. You'll see Command Prompt. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. In the black Command Prompt window, You're going to copy and paste one simple command that I have put in the description. Press enter. You should see the word OK. That's it. You've just removed a major source of latency from your trading data feed. So, to recap, 3 simple settings in Windows 11. 1. Change your DNS servers to Cloudflare for both IPv4 and IPv6. 2. Set your network adapter to maximum performance and disable the IEEE 802.3az energy efficient Ethernet standard. 3. Disable auto-tuning in the command prompt. Making these changes will give you a real measurable execution edge. It will reduce slippage. It will get your orders filled faster. If this helped you optimize your trading computer, go ahead and slam that subscribe button, and don't forget, if you want the full blueprint, grab my complete guide to trading computers. It's linked down below. It walks you through everything from picking the right hardware to optimizing Windows so your computer never becomes your bottleneck. And if you're in the market for a new trading computer, go ahead and check out the machine we currently have on sale. These systems are built specifically for traders. That link also is in the description. Now, if you really want to learn about the ultimate computer for trading in 2026, you have to watch this video next. My name is Eddie Z. Thanks for watching AI Eddie Z, and may the trend be with you.